could just get my life together. What is my hair doing? Oh my god, can you just be like, sit there like. Welcome back to another IGTV. This is Adeline here again. Today I am going to be doing a quarantine experiment with all of you. Most people are cooking bread, their own pasta, they're taking on all these new projects and activities and things to do. My quarantine project of the day is going to be using flamingo strips to wax this forehead. Okay, problem number one is that I'm very hairy. I'm just naturally hairy. You know, it's the Dominican, the Lebanese, everything is just hairiness everywhere. That's number one. Number two, you guys, those of you that know me somewhat, know that I always make fun of myself because I don't have a forehead. I literally like don't have a forehead. Like my baby hairs literally take over my forehead all day, every day. So my friends that are close to me, they know that I give myself a forehead. That typically I wax it or I get my forehead threaded whenever I get my eyebrows threaded, which hasn't happened in a long time. But I'm going to be trying out the flamingo strips for the first time. I'm going to be waxing my own forehead. That's pretty big. Now, number one rule is that I apologize in advance for anything that I might say throughout this video. If I drop an F-bomb, excuse my French from now. Mom, if you watch this, I'm so sorry. I am trying my first time trying to wax my forehead. I've read great reviews about it, but I am thrilled to get all this damn hair off my forehead. Also, say hi to the pimple that I have right here. That's just popping in. I've had a pimple for like 4 days now in the middle, right here. That's where the pimple is. Okay, just read some instructions on this. It's cute packaging, I have to say. It says face wax kit, 20 wax strips, 1 calming serum. I don't know if a serum is gonna help me calming, but I'll take it. And then post-wax cloth. Well, as you all can see, I am wearing makeup. I'm wearing a little bit of makeup. I'm not wearing heavy foundation, and I'm not wearing makeup on my forehead. I don't typically, that was so Spanish. I don't typically, it's damn accent. Here we go. Typically, women contour their forehead to make it look smaller. Yeah, I can't do that, because then my forehead would just connect with my eyebrows. If anything, I try to make myself look like I have a forehead. All right, so this is cute. It's like, here, strips, they're not gonna hurt. I have my mirror right here that I'm gonna be using. So if I keep looking this way, forgive me. I'm just trying to look at what I'm doing. So this is cute. It has the cloths, calming serum, post-wax cloth, and then the actual strips. We'll see how I do with all of this. So, this, you know, you guys can't really see it because sometimes the makeup and the lighting does me some justice, but the amount of hair on this forehead and above these eyebrows is out of control. All right, so here we go. So this is one strip. Open the strip. Let's see. Grab it here and I'm gonna fold it to where I want it. And I'm gonna stick it here. I have to be careful. I don't wanna, I'm experiencing so much breakage in the front of my head that I have to be careful. What happened to my music here? I'm nervous. I'm like sweating profusely right now. How long do we leave? All right, I'm not brave. It's not touching my eyebrow. As you guys can see, it's just not touching my eyebrow at all. Here we go. It did take off some hair. Oh my God, it took off some hair. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm doing this. Make sure it doesn't touch your eyebrows. If you get it to touch your eyebrows, then you're gonna be screwed. And I am not to be held accountable for anybody. The goal is for you to get the strip to be where it needs to be. Not in any area that you do not desire to be waxed. All right. Jesus! Oh my god. I can't really see it. But it's taking off all my hairs. Oh, my forehead. I like to fold it. I think the smartest thing is to kind of fold it so you have control of the areas. This is gonna be bad. I can already feel this. Oh my god, guys. My nose is running. I'm like sweating so badly right now. Like sweating. Okay, here we go. I have to be careful with my hairline. Oh, sweet Lord, baby Jesus. Oh! That's why you have to be careful, because sometimes it's gonna take some of your own hair off of it. Oh. Let's try the wipes, guys. Oh my god, this feels good. Mezcal water con tequila. Oh my god. You need the cloths, the wipes. Okay. It's actually not that bad. Once you get, look at my hair is now super greasy in the front because of the wipes. Because the wipes, they have oil in it. To be able to release some of the wax that like gets stuck to your forehead. This way, just use it as a highlighter. As you can see, it basically removed all the hair. It's a bit painful at first because you're not used to, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not used to waxing myself. But you recover from it pretty good because your skin kind of like becomes numb to the sensation. So the more you do it, the least likely you are to feel it. I wouldn't recommend this to be your method of hair removal long term. Why? Because this is gonna, if the more you do this, the more it will loosen up your skin. You will lose your elasticity. Your skin's gonna be sagging. You don't want to do that. This is just an emergency kit, obviously, because of the circumstances that we're all living under, and I don't have access to getting my forehead done. But for the time being, this is great. This is a great temporary solution. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, comment down below. I'll be more than happy to share the product. Oh my god, I'm like a grease ball now. But here we go. Social distancing and quarantining has me waxing my own forehead. Who knew? Who knew? Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and thank you for tuning in. Let me know what are things that you guys are experimenting with during this quarantine time, during the social distancing time. I know we're all trying to find ways to get creative to keep ourselves entertained. As you can see, I'm keeping myself entertained waxing my forehead. Doing these things and learning how to do it yourself, you save a whole lot of money. Just saying. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's it. Oh my god, wait. God, look at this. Like, who has like upper body chichos? Only me. Can't. And I just like, how did I get that double chin? I can't figure out this. These angles today are just not with. They're just not working for me. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Catch you on the next one.